Okay, well, since the chronograph is not working and I'm not going to be able to get any chronograph readings, I might as well just shoot some guns, and just going to talk and show you this thing. It's a Chaser 22 caliber, and I really love this gun. It's a lot of fun. It's very quiet, and for $120 from Pyramid Air, you get the rifle kit, which includes the long barrel with the built-in suppressor and the short barrel, as well as the stock. The stock didn't feel really comfortable for me as far as like the distance. It made the sights uncomfortable, but I really like the long barrel, just with the regular pistol grip. It's a lot of fun. So my brother's left his excavator out here in the yard, and I was shooting at the little hill with cans that are right behind it, but he's in the way, so I figured I'd just set the cans up there, and I think it'll probably be okay. Nope. Damn, way off. Huh. Doing terrible. Let's see how many I can miss. There it is. Alright. Let's try and move it down the line. So I was kind of aiming high. I keep underestimating this gun, because when you put the barrel marker at a level height with the rear sight, it really is just overshooting, which I think is good because it means that it's shooting pretty straight. Look at that. Boom. So let's try it again. Once you get the height set correctly, this thing's a lot of fun. Highly recommended. Boom. Oops. Alright, let's go for that Coke can on the far right. Move it on over. Oops. Yeah, I don't think another scratch on that machine's gonna hurt anything. Woo! Even for a little 22, this thing packs a little bit of a punch. So, I mean, from here to there, it's pretty level. That's a good 50 feet, if not 60. Alright. Let's get that Red Bull out of there. Nope. I think we're getting a little low on air here. Alright, let me re-up the CO2 and pop the rest of these off.